Yo, YouTube, this the boy Silly Yo at Monelio Trading, representing the Virgin Islands, you feel me? But, yo, man, I just came up with a strategy with the mobile joint school, you heard me? And I made it from 10 all the way to $60. And I added on the RSI. I just like starting to understand when I could really go in. I want to do a strategy when I could just know everything is going. I ain't even looking at no chart, so it's like ain't like I analyzing the candlesticks and all that stuff. I really just analyzing the indicators. So that it'll make it a little bit to the point that it have to be correct. You know what I mean? Or close to correct. Higher probability of winning. So yeah, man, I just came up with a new way, man. And we're gonna get down to this. I'm gonna win this trade, and after I win this trade, I'm gonna take out the money and go down to 10, and we're gonna do this head back over again. I gotta make some money, man. My DUI class coming up. I have no money. I just told my parents, not my parents, but my mother and my little brother, if they could help me out with a loan. And I gave them my jewelry and shit. So, like I said, I can't get no job because I'm on probation. It's like every time I fill out a job, it shit the fuck up. And then even if I do get into a job, I don't know, man. My fault. I just gotta learn how to obey orders for a little while. You feel me? Because it ain't gonna be forever. Not just their orders, but the policy orders. You feel me? That's what really fucking me up. The policy orders. That's what fucking me up. It ain't really the human beings fucking me up. I'm cool with humans, but the policy behind the 9 to 5 is what really fucking me up. So yeah, man. Go up. Nearly fucked up. Because at this moment in my life, I really need to say fuck it and just apply by the rules for a little bit, man. You. You. Where you bought that? I see Parker right there. So, so you to get in. Let's pop this up. This was a blessed day, wasn't it?
I wake up sweating, cold. Wake up, get in my room. I'm in my room. Last night, what's going on? I'm still looking fat. I'm looking chubby.
You looking chubby, you need to go and wait.
Nice smooth. It's just so nice.
Then they could see the cars them all here. Look at that.
It's just so nice. Definitely a 10 for sure.
I gotta go invest in one too.
Me too. I ain't going back on being fixed. This year. I'm Black Disciple.
And Bovoni.
Billion B. Somebody seatbelt. I can't sit back. I'm full of sweat.
So in order for you to get like the self-driving, you have to buy it or you have it? So it's unlocked. Cause I heard it'll be some of them that have a warranty on it or something.
Gotta go in any cleaning. Next little white guy. If you need help, I'll help you, bro. Oh, shit.
Me in front seat too. Anyway, my wave cap about to fly off, you heard me? Night night!
It's like you're on an airplane.
That's a turk. Where you going, that's a turk.
To take off, fly in the start flying. Feel like the car was about to take off.
My friends live by that stop sign, Boundary Way. Over there is no more boondocks. Straight field.
Oh my.
This is the
This is a night Hulk smash.
this is the Justice League.
Night Hulk smash.
It's Iron Man.
I went into turbo mode, man. Not even turbo mode, man. I'm talking about jet mode. That it was a jet engine.
Look, like they driving itself. I mean, they can't drive it itself.
Yeah, Aqua for like in hand, you feel me? To drive yourself. Leaving or coming home. But on the road, yeah, but it's got dope. Just got clean it, wipe it up a little bit, and she good.
They ain't gonna be ain't nobody driving this car.
Yeah, wait, for sure.
It's smooth too, boy.
Yeah, it felt like I was on a plane.
Yeah, it's smooth.
You ain't feeling no bump, nothing in the road. It's smooth. Whoa.
When I say you to stop it,
So what's that stop? At the mouth. That's our host. So they say that Teslas are worth it? The more engine?
no, but this performance.
What is performance?
What's up?
So yeah, Nene, I'll call on your phone to let you know you could just give it to mommy if, you know what I mean? Yeah. But you have to press the button, mommy. Oh. I didn't even know until I put my hand press it. I was like, wow. Yeah, nice car. Nice car. It was a good day, wasn't it? Got all the kids outside, even Mom Dukes. Wow.
All that stuff done leak out there.
Beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Wow. That was an adventure.
Yes, it was. Into the future. We went straight to the future, boy.
Make me up one time.
Man, they had my heart pumping hard. I'm like, yo, I'm about to faint. And they took us to the future.
You thinking your heart pumping fast. Imagine how mine won't feel.
Let me walk to the plant.
Yeah.
That shit is coming up.
Oh no. Come tomorrow.
I'm saying it's good being like.
This thing was so dry. It took 18 cups of water.
18 cups of water.
Yeah, I pull this thing up.
Water every day when I eat that.
Really? So why it was dry?
Even when I had it, would say, yeah, it looks dry. Nah, I drink water then. I know what empty and not. You see when you came home, it was full.
Yes, I can't leave. You go
See,
tell
it
me.
was too late. Nah, I watered it that day. See, you go there, no. You probably felt, oh, I was watering the root. That's what I was really doing. Watering the root. If I really look, you would have seen a wet spot. But I hadn't even talking to you, but I really watered it that day. Just cause it's a scanning, I was like, how come it dropped? I mean, the thing was up and then it dropped. I said, oh, somebody dying.
They could have so much brown leaves and you can only make some. I have to take all of them off. And then see them ones that yellow leaves from one thing. I will pick them too. Brown, I don't pick them.
When you guys left, the hair wasn't sunny at all.
You left to go to Texas?
Yeah, when you guys left, it was not sunny. I don't know what was going on. The sun wasn't from the ground. I'm like, damn, these pumpers, they died. They said, I don't know, cause yeah, it was getting brown too. Yeah, I know it was getting brown. I'm like, what's going on? It wasn't sun coming out. And I'm like, damn, you tell me I water when you got too much. Like, if you water the plant too much, it's good. Yeah, so I'm like, no, tell me that's what's going on here. It's water because there's no sun. I'm like 3 times. I'm like, damn, all I water to fill up that thing out fast. I don't know. This one that we have is too. You know, especially this one right here.
The roots just start to catch.
That was $20. Like I said, it wasn't sunny.
Yeah, I noticed the stem of it is getting big. So that means that it just needs to catch the ground good. But I don't know what it needs to catch. Yeah, these things already catch when it does. I don't know why it takes me so long to catch. I guess again, trying to get accustomed to the soil. Sweep this floor here first. Okay, this morning here, I sleeping good as ever. Good as ever. I had to pee. And I dreaming, I down to the bathroom, sitting down on the toilet. And saying to myself, when I'm peeing, well, how come I feeling the pee is not going in the toilet, it's coming on top of me? Well, I tell you, wait. Let me see if I can hold this pee here wherever it is and see what's going on. So I say, okay, now I'm here, sitting good. I adjust myself on the toilet.
I know exactly what it is.
I pee myself on the bed.
You was dreaming.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
I
know.
pee myself on the bed.
I already knew you were gonna say that. That's why I said I already knew what happened. I already knew you were gonna say that. It was a dream. So you wake up with pee.
I pee. I tell you, I feel the pee now running on top of me. And it was a lot of pee coming out.
I mean, I did something like that before. That's come out. It hit me out like, yo, I went through that already. And then you start feeling it. Then you wake up like, what in the world? Thinking you was in the bathroom. Oh, you thought you was in the bathroom?
Yeah, I tell you. I even adjust myself in my dream. I adjust myself because I say, well, why the pee is not going in the toilet? It's like it's splashing on top of me. Okay, wait. So I fix myself on the toilet better and I say, okay, I'm on there now. And I just let the pee out now more. Shh. I said, wait a minute, but I feel, I jump out of the bed quick. Quick. Pee all over the place.
You know, bro, thing like your bed.
Not my bed. I have a protector thing on my bed, boy.
Bro, thing.
Wrong thing. Not on my bed. Am I peeing wrong?
I need a tongue, bro.
Ain't even dark either.
Not even brown, it'll be like a yellowish color.
It's not that color.
Oh, I mean,
I've been drinking a lot of water.
that's crazy. That's to show your dream of you real. That's the best dream. It was in a deep dream, boy. When I first wake up, I had you snoring. I said, hey, mommy, man, snoring.
I was snoring?
Yeah, you was snoring when I came downstairs, because I heard that I went outside. So I said, I've been to the car over there. And then I go outside, I pick up, like, who is that? Don't tell me that name with a girl. That's what I was saying. I said, don't tell me that name was a girl outside. And then I hear I was ready by the door here. I said, Mommy, knocked out, man. Damn. So the whole time you was peeing. You was knocked out.
I had to fly up out of that bed, I can tell you that. Pee running out down my leg, everything. I can tell you that. I was sleeping so good too.
You was snoring. Man, a dream could be that good.
That's from being tired. I started tiredness is due to it. I ain't sleep yesterday, you know. I have to go back on the computer there again. That's
Dream
ridiculous.
knock you out of your misery, boy. Wow. I just be saying, cause I be dreaming too, so not even dreaming, just in a deep dream. I mean sleep. I be like, dang.
I have to tell you about it, you rest your head.
That's like what the doctors gonna do. Give you anesthesia to go sleep.
Yeah.
I dream. Yeah, a deep sleep.
So how be carrying the garage car, you be boo.
Well, yo, you know what that thing called if your back is like that?
Like that.
I don't know.
What could be
But
about?
this time you don't know he like this. He ain't like that anymore. He like this.
Wow.
That's all. I have a picture with him. I can't find it, but he like tall, like some dude. He like this tall. Right now, he like this. He walk like this. I'm like, dang. And if you check out his backbone, he got a big thing here, like his bone.
Like a lump.
Yeah, lump. So that's what I'll tell you what I got.
That's what they do in the big.
Look,
What did he say?
he got this, he will check too. But he has, like right there, his spine or something like poking out. So you could see it, like his spine up, yo, like damn, and he like this. So he like wow. The good thing, if you ride a bike, he gonna stand up. Like, yo, you supposed to be on a bike. Well, if you like, you know, he tired. Just imagine that tired dude being like.
Wow. This just goes fast.
That is a different level of fast.
Gee.
That's a jet. When they say they have a jet in their motor, in their car, that's what they're talking about. Wow. So I'm saying like them sports cars and Lamborghinis and all them stuff, probably that's how it feels when you jetting out. It probably feels just like whoa. Hold up. Yeah, Tesla got something on his hand, don't he?
Who were the first person to like a Tesla?
To like a Tesla?
That wanted a Tesla.
I want me.
Huh?
It was me.
Leave off!
I mean, trust me, it was me.
Leave off!
I said I want a Tesla first.
Leave off!